Find the least number which when divided by 27, 35, 45, 49 leaves a remainder of 6 in each case. Now in such kind of questions, remember the wording. In such kind of a wording, the concept is very simple. Find out the LCM of all the given numbers and add the remainder which is given to you. So now let's find out the LCM of the given numbers. Now 27, you can write it down as 3 raised to 3. 35, you can write it down as 5 into 7. 45, you can write it down as 3 square into 5. 49, you can write it down as 7 square. So LCM is nothing but the product of the highest powers of all factors. So therefore, we'll have it as 3 raised to 3 into 5 into 7 square. So if we solve this, we will get the answer as LCM is 6615. Now by using this formula, LCM plus remainder. So LCM is 6615. The remainder is 6. So plus 6, we get the answer as 6621. Answer will be option B.